Hello and welcome to Group 26 about Kurzbeek.
We have worked with the business model canvas, and now we will walk through it.
We have worked with these value propositions, and the vision for Kurzbyg is to create a world of sustainable activities where people can continue to live. And the mission is to revolutionize the construction industry by creating sustainable, future-proof solutions based on biogenic materials with a focus on reuse. We will strive to minimize the carbon footprint in all our projects by integrating innovative and natural building materials, recycling resources, and promotive circular processes. With respect for the environment and future generations, we do not just build houses, we build a green future.
With our customer segments, we have worked with the SWOT analysis with the external parts as opportunities and threats. Our opportunities is sustainability as competitive parameter and new partnerships, increasing demands, and public initiatives and support. Our threats are the new market and the competition, new legal requirements, and no employees with specialty in sustainability.
Our key activities is to make an APS company. Our goals and strategy is to Kurzbyg aims to transition from traditional house construction to a business model based on sustainable solutions. This entails a gradual transformation of the company's methods, materials, and marketing with a focus on three core areas: biogenic materials, energy efficient solutions, and circular design.
So the key partnerships we are going to have is Ecocon and similar suppliers, and then we're going to have Building Green, and then we're going to have some negotiations doing with the banks and internal organization and employees, and then the customers.
The key resources. Our main resources in the company is the big kind of power tools, but also the organization with the leadership and and we have also here worked with the SWOT. Here is the intern part with the strength and weaknesses, and we have also looked into human resources, the staff, and conflict management.
Kurzbyg, we are going to value our customer relations very high. We're going to have 0 to 6 from 8 to 16 customer service, and we're going to have some follow-ups on different social media platforms or emails, and then we're going to have selling and different kind of bonuses our customers can achieve while sharing our products or other ways.
To promote the business, we will use channels such as a website, customer service, different social media, ads in theaters and buses, logos on our cars, and banners on job sites. Our revenue streams are primarily sales, partners, and enterprises.
For cost structure, we have external financing, which is green loans and support schemes from banks or government entities. And internal financing, we will leverage accumulated capital and reinvest profits from the existing projects to finance the transition. And on our budgets, we have once an overview of the company's current operating posts have been created, one can begin to assess the expected costs that arise when implementing sustainable practices. Hit the like button and subscribe to get the chance of winning a PS5.